Reporting live from the Mabathu Magistrates Court, we will shortly be witnessing the detrimental case between the state and Miss Sassy Susan. The accused, Miss Susan, was arrested on 14 February 2025 at the Mega City Mall and is charged with the offence of theft. We will now cut live to witness firsthand what the trial will entail.
The court is now in session. Mr. Prosecutor, you may call the next matter.
Your Worship, the State calls case number M55/25, the State versus Sassy Susan. This matter is on the roll for plea and trial.
Accused, do you have your own attorney or are you conducting your own defense? If you cannot afford one, you may apply for legal aid.
I have a lawyer, Your Worship, Mrs. Fry.
Your Worship, I can confirm I represent the accused, Ms. Susan. The defence is ready to proceed.
Mr. Prosecutor, you may put the charge to the accused in terms of Section 105 of the Criminal Procedure Act.
The charge against the accused reads as follows: that the accused is guilty of the crime of theft in upon about 14 February 2025 at or near Mega City Mall in Mabathu. She unlawfully and intentionally stole one dress to the value of 800 Rand, the property of True Words.
Accused, do you understand the charge against you?
Yes, Your Worship.
And how do you plead?
Not guilty, Your Worship.
The plea of not guilty is in accordance with my instructions. In terms of Section 115 of the CPA, the accused wishes to make a plea of explanation.
You may proceed.
Susan, state under oath. I am the accused in this case. My attorney informed me of my rights. I plead not guilty to the charge. I do not intend to steal. I subconsciously placed the dress in my bag while texting my mother and was distracted. In terms of Section 220 of the CPA, I admit I was in True Words store on 14 February 2025. I was found in possession of a dress valued at 800 Rand. I did not have a receipt or proof of payment. I maintain that I had no intention of permanently depriving the owner of the property.
Accused, do you confirm that this is your statement under Section 115 and your admissions under Section 220?
I do, Your Worship.
Do you understand the facts that you admit in terms of Section 220 are deemed proven?
Yes, Your Worship.
Very well, the statement is admitted into evidence as Exhibit A. Mr. Prosecutor, you may proceed with your opening remarks under Section 150 of the CPA.
The State will prove beyond reasonable doubt that the accused intentionally stole a dress from True Words by concealing it in her bag and leaving without paying. The security officer apprehended her immediately.
Mr. Prosecutor, you may call your first witness.
Okay, the State calls Sam Stevens.
By the Almighty God, that the evidence you shall give will be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth.
I do. Please state your name and occupation.
My name is Sam Stevens and I'm a security officer at True Words.
Mr. Stevens, what happened on the 14th of February 2025?
I was on duty when the alarm went off at around 4. A young female walked through with a bag and I stopped her. She handed me a dress and never had a receipt on the possession.
What did you do then?
I called the police and she was then arrested.
No further questions, Your Worship.
Defense, you may cross-examine.
Mr. Stevens, did the accused resist when you confronted her?
No, she did not. She was actually very good.
Did she immediately hand over the dress voluntarily?
Yes, she did hand it over voluntarily.
Your Worship, no further questions.
Mr. Prosecutor, any re-examination?
No, Your Worship.
Defense, you may proceed.
The defence calls the accused, Sassy Susan.
Do you swear by the Almighty God that the evidence you will give will be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
I do.
Please state your name and occupation.
My name is Sassy Susan and I'm a student from Mafeking.
Please tell the court what happened on February 14, 2025.
I was trying on a dress for Valentine's Day and I've sent my mom photos and I got distracted and I subconsciously slipped it into my purse and forgot about it.
Did you realise you had the dress when you were leaving the store?
No, I only realized when the security guard stopped me at the door. I had no intention of stealing.
Did you hand over the dress voluntarily?
Yes.
No further questions.
Mr. Prosecutor, you may re-examine.
Susan, do you agree that you left the store without pay?
Yes, sir.
Apologies, I will rephrase my question. Did you leave the store without pay?
Yes, but it was not intentional.
Did you have a receipt?
No, I did not.
Despite texting, you managed to carry your bag and your phone. Why did you forget to pay?
Since I was texting my mom, I was very distracted.
No further questions, Your Worship.
Defense, any re-examination?
No, Your Worship.
The accused may now stand down. The defense is closed.
There you have it, John. That concludes the presentation of the evidence in the State versus Sassy Susan. Stay tuned for the judgment pending ahead.